I'm going to talk about the in keyword in C# now. So I have a very simple example here. I'm calling a method that adds two numbers together. When the method is called, we're stuffing the result of these in a variable and outputting the result. So by adding 2 plus 2, we get the output of 4. So how does the in keyword come into this? Well, when we use the in keyword in a method here, we can specify this before any parameter we wish to, for example num1. And what the in keyword does, it prevents us from modifying this value at all. And then if we try and say set a value, like that for example, you can see the software won't even compile. And when we highlight this and hover over it, it says cannot assign variable in int, because it's read only. So it actually prevents us from doing anything with this variable here. And again, we could put this on any number of parameters we wish to. And these are simple value types, so simple integers. Let's take a look at how this works with objects, for example. So you can see here I have an example with an object here, like video game for example. I'm setting the title of the game through the constructor to Minecraft and just outputting the game's title. But if I try to modify this object in any way when specifying the in keyword, then it's going to throw a similar read-only error. So you can see here I'm erasing the title by setting it to an empty string, but it's saying it can't be assigned to, it is read-only. Similarly, if I try and create a new instance from this completely, then I have exactly the same error. So this is the power of the in keyword in C#. It prevents things like methods from accidentally modifying any of your parameters which you wish to pass in. So if you know this method is not responsible for modifying your parameters in any way, then you might want to consider specifying them with the in keyword to protect your data and avoid methods from changing any of your data and having unexpected things happen, which can happen quite a lot, believe me. But the beauty of the in keyword is, yes, you could pass a constant or a read-only variable in here, for example, but maybe your objects aren't read-only or constants, but you just want to make them kind of temporarily read-only, just for the duration of the method. So that is the point of the in keyword in C#.